Project control tools and techniques. Project control tools and techniques are essential components in managing and guiding projects to successful completion. They provide structure, allowing project managers to monitor and adjust the project's progress across critical areas, including schedule, budget, scope, quality, risk, and communication. Project control tools enable teams to visualize timelines, track costs, assess risks, and ensure resources are used efficiently. Project control techniques complement these tools by providing methods to analyze project data, identify trends, and address issues promptly. Together, these tools and techniques offer a comprehensive framework that helps project teams stay aligned with goals, proactively manage changes, and ensure that deliverables meet quality standards within the set budget and timeline. With effective use of project control tools and techniques, teams can improve decision-making, enhance stakeholder communication, and adapt to challenges throughout the project life cycle. Project control tools. Starting with schedule management area of a project, tools like Gantt charts, critical path method, work breakdown structure are used. These tools help visualize and track project timelines, dependencies, and milestones. Gantt charts provide a visual timeline. CPM identifies critical activities impacting project completion, and WBS breaks down the project scope into manageable tasks. Example: Microsoft project. It is important that a project has good budget management, for which tools like Earned Value Management Systems, financial tracking software are used. These tools monitor project costs, ensure spending aligns with the budget, and provide early warnings for potential overruns. EVM systems combine cost, schedule, and scope metrics, while financial tracking software enables real-time budget updates. Examples: QuickBooks, SAP project system. Risk management is another area we need to consider for a project. Tools like risk registers, risk analysis software are used. These tools systematically identify, evaluate, and track risks to minimize their impact on the project. A risk register logs and prioritizes risks, while risk analysis software helps with impact assessment and mitigation planning. In quality management, tools like cause and effect diagrams, popularly known as Ishikawa fishbone diagram, control charts, Six Sigma tools are used. These tools monitor and maintain quality standards. Cause and effect diagrams identify root causes of quality issues, while control charts and Six Sigma tools ensure process consistency and continuous improvement. Example: Six Sigma DMAIC tools. For status reporting, tools such as dashboards, data visualization tools, project management platforms are used. Dashboards and data visualization tools provide real-time project updates, making it easy for stakeholders to track progress and performance metrics. Project management platforms enable collaboration, showing task status and completion rates. Examples: Power BI, Tableau, Asana, Monday.com. Change management tools include change request forms, change control software. These tools document, evaluate, and track all change requests to ensure they are reviewed and approved before implementation, helping prevent unplanned changes from impacting the project. Examples: ServiceNow Change Management Module. For scope management, tools like Work Breakdown Structure, Scope Baseline, Requirements Traceability Matrix are used. These tools clarify project scope and prevent scope creep by defining deliverables and linking requirements to tasks. The scope baseline provides a reference for scope decisions, while the WBS organizes project tasks hierarchically. For resource management, tools like resource allocation tools, resource leveling, and smoothing are used. Resource management tools help assign and balance workloads, ensuring resources are used effectively and avoiding overallocation. For communication management, tools like communication plans, stakeholder analysis matrix are used. These tools support clear and consistent information flow. Communication plans outline frequency and method, while stakeholder analysis identifies communication needs for each stakeholder. Examples: Slack, Microsoft Teams. Project control techniques. Earned value management integrates cost, schedule, and scope metrics to assess project performance. Key metrics like Cost Performance Index and Schedule Performance Index help evaluate if the project is on budget and schedule. Variance analysis compares plan versus actual project performance, using metrics like schedule variance and cost variance to quickly identify and address deviations. Trend analysis monitors performance trends over time, enabling early detection of issues in cost, schedule, or resources and allowing teams to adapt proactively. Key performance indicators measure various aspects of project health, that is time, cost, and quality, and provide a structured way to communicate performance to stakeholders. Through root cause analysis, the underlying causes of project issues are identified, helping teams implement effective solutions to prevent recurrence. Collaborative meetings or online forums encourage team members and stakeholders to discuss project challenges and solutions, enhancing real-time communication and decision-making. To summarize, project control tools and techniques complement each other across different project areas to ensure a balanced and well-managed project. Scope management tools like the work breakdown structure and requirements traceability matrix define project boundaries and link deliverables, which in turn inform schedule and budget management tools such as Gantt charts and EVM. Risk and quality management tools support analysis like root cause analysis and variance analysis, helping to prevent or quickly resolve issues. Status reporting and communication management tools ensure transparency, while change management tools monitor adjustments, minimizing disruptions. Together, these tools and techniques form a robust project control framework, enabling effective decision-making, resource allocation, and real-time progress tracking. By implementing these tools and techniques, project managers can maintain control over complex projects, adapt to challenges, and ensure that projects deliver on their intended goals within scope, schedule, and budget.